It's 5:50 something and it feels empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. Sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss, the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only